Why do 80% of people believe cracking knuckles causes arthritis? Let's find out the truth. So, you've probably heard it a million times. Crack your knuckles and you'll end up with arthritis. But guess what? That's just a myth. According to Harvard Health, there is no evidence that cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. When you crack your knuckles, you're just popping gas bubbles in your joints. It might sound weird, but it's perfectly harmless. So if you love that satisfying, go ahead, your joints are safe. Just maybe warn the person next to you first. Remember, not all myths are true. Stay curious and keep those knuckles cracking. Myths and truths uncovered, bringing you the facts in a snap.